Former World Superbike rider Markus Reiterberger got his first taste of MotoGP machinery after testing KTM's RC16 at Aragon this week. The reigning German IDM Superbike champion contested the 2016 and opening 3 rounds of the 2017 World Superbike Championship without the BMW. However, he left the series following the Spanish round at Aragon earlier this season to focus on fully recovering from a back injury he sustained in a massive high side at Misano last season. Returning the IDM series, where he was champion in 2013 and 2015, Reiterberger cruised to the 2017 title, while also contesting the German World Superbike round as a wildcard on his third title-winning weekend. KTM, who secured its best finish of its debut MotoGP season at Aragon, when Pol Espargaro finished just 14 seconds adrift of the victory in 10th, remained at the Spanish circuit for 2 days of testing to evaluate parts for the remaining 4 races and for next year, while also offering Reiterberger a ride on one of its machines. "I first want to say to KTM a big thank you for making this happen, and for my team to let me test," said Reiterberger. "It's amazing for me to come here and test the MotoGP bike. The feeling is amazing for the first few laps over a day, where I did about 7 runs, and improved a little bit for feeling in lap time, so in the end I was happy. Of course, there's a little bit of time to make up, but after half a day I'm really happy to test this MotoGP bike, so we'll see what the future brings." Reiterberger admits he had to totally change his approach to riding the RC16 compared to his usual S1000RR BMW Superbike, highlighting a smoother style is needed to extract the maximum from a MotoGP bike. Regarding the difference between a superbike and a prototyped bike, the riding style is completely different, and it's a little bit difficult to understand how to ride the bike, but you need to ride smoothly. It's different from a superbike, where you have to brake as hard as possible, turn it and open the gases. You really have to ride this one smoothly. That's where the time will come, if I get the possibility, to try a MotoGP bike again. Thank you again, KTM. A day to remember. Read more from Lewis Duncan.